Hello everyone, I am Mohan. As a part of the Future Ready Talent virtual internship, I have deployed a project called Fertilizer Recommender. The internship had begun with an orientation session where I had been taught the activities to be done for the successful completion of the internship. Then I have moved to the self-learning part where which helped me a lot to complete the virtual internship by completing a project. Later, let's check about the self-learning courses that I have completed in the self-learning part: Azure Fundamentals, Azure AI Fundamentals, Azure Administration, Azure Developer, and so on. Later, I have moved to the industry sessions on Microsoft Azure, where I have learned about the services provided by Microsoft Azure for developers to deploy their project on Microsoft Azure seamlessly. Coming to the final part of the internship, the project. I have deployed a responsive website using the technology such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I have utilized the services offered by Microsoft Azure, such as a static web app, HealthBot, Azure Maps services provided by Microsoft Azure. Coming to the files of my project, let me discuss about the detailed description of my project. It's coming to the industry name. I have picked the earth. Coming to the project title, fertilizer recommender, and problem statement is fertilizer recommendation system for crop disease prediction, which recommends best fertilizers to use the best crops to grow and the disease caused by our crops. Coming to the project description, it all it is all about recommending the best fertilizer for every particular crop. Is a challenging task for everyone, and the most important issue is when plants get caught by heterogeneous diseases that affect on a less amount of agriculture production. So I have used this opportunity to develop a fertilizer recommender using HealthBot, Static Web App, and Azure apps. And my responsive website about fertilizer recommender is hosted and deployed on GitHub and Microsoft Azure. Here it is Microsoft Azure technologies I have utilized in deploying my project: HealthBot, Azure apps, and Static Web Apps. Here I have provided the links to my project. It is all about the features and functionalities, and have included all the screenshots of the Azure services I have included in my project, and what are the pages that represented my project. First one is Azure resources, next one Static Web App, next Azure Maps, Azure Maps client ID. You can have a primary key and secondary key for Azure Maps service. Coming to the source code, I have got a subscription key using which I have deployed the Azure Map services in my project. And here it is a subscription key. And next coming to the Azure Health Bot. And next, these are the pages that represented my project: about, news, stats, testimonials, and gallery, contact list, and here the health bot, and here is the working of health bot. Here is the map located to your fields. Here is the working of health fields. Now I'm going to demonstrate the lively on the Microsoft Azure portal about my project. Here is the resources have utilized in deploying my project. have used the Azure for Student subscription and the resource group FRT project to create the Azure maps. These are the resource groups, and here is a form locator which is developed using the Azure Maps account service, and crop health bot is developed using the Azure Health Bot service, and fertilizer recommender. Here it is our project. Here is our website deployed using the static web app. Now you can have a look over of the fertilizer recommender. This is a URL for our project, which is developed using the static web app service. Let's go to our website. Clearly, you can observe what the pages I have included in my website. It is a home, about, next, coming to the news, latest news recording the what are the variety of crops and variety of fertilizers of for healthy agriculture, healthy farming to our farmers, and you can have the stats given by our customers who have utilized our services, and these are the testimonials of our customers. It is the gallery part. You can contact us either by a phone call or a mail or physically to the office. Coming to the office, you can contact us and submit your queries, which help us to provide a better solution to you. Coming to the practical part, crop health bot. Let me check the working part of a crop health bot. Let's type hi. It replied, hi, how can I help? Let me check what are the best fertilizers for paddy. It replied, sorry, I can't, it seems I can't answer this because it is not trained on that part. It is easy for us to deploy the Q&A session, Q&A session by training the bot. So it's working. Next, let me check the farm locator, means which is deployed using the Azure Map service. Let me check for the location, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Oh, here is a Guntur part. You can clearly observe the location where it is displaying. That's all my project. Really, I would like to thank the entire team of Future Ready Talent for providing us this wonderful experience, which helped us to deploy our project on Microsoft Azure portal using the subscriptions. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.